Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best electric pasta maker that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Marcato. True, you wouldn't need a beautiful spaghetti press. However, on the other hand, why shouldn't you spend on a culinary item that makes you happy? Mainly when the most appealing alternative also occurs to produce fantastic fresh pasta. The Marcato Atlas 150 pasta attachments come with an electric motor attachment. Whenever it comes to preparing pasta, there are two encampments, hand-cranked and electric. Both have their advantages. Whereas many electric types of equipment drop and then go, a cranked machine allows you to experience the art of producing pasta. This Italian Atlas 150 pasta maker review contraption eventually comes to a halt somewhere within the center. You can either make hand-cranked corrugated sheets and sliced pasta or affix a small engine to assist in hurrying up the task. You may combine and knead by hand, but the machine speeds things up, reducing the number of pasta sheets and slicing time. The equipment's adaptability is incredible, with 17 various attachments. The Marcato is fantastic when using the handwheel, but the motorized attachment makes the operation easier and faster. This pasta roller is the perfect kitchen partner for pasta enthusiasts looking for a flexible roller with more alternatives than the three conventional adapters: spaghetti, fettuccine, and lasagna. The Atlas pasta machine cleaning is a challenging task for the users. At number 4. Imperia. Imperia is one of the most recognizable cities in the world. The Imperia electric pasta maker manual is made in Italy and has a non-stick coating for easy use and no dough sticking. It seems to have a tray for resting the pasta you're pouring over. That was a great feature that didn't include in either of the makers. It is equipped with two pasta rollers, one just for solid sheets and another for linguine or fettuccine, and is flexible if you wish to buy other attachments to put to the machine. It appears as though it would cost a leg and an arm, as it is made in Italy using more extraordinary metal and a fancy wooden grip. The remarkable thing is that it is reasonably priced. The ravioli maker, which costs under $100, features a dual slicer for making fettuccine and spaghetti and other attachments for making anything from conchiglie to farfalle. Users praise its elegant design and robust craft. It takes a while to cook pasta, and Imperia was one of many we tried. We encountered dough trapped in the equipment due to an operator mistake, which was tough to release, but the equipment offered assistance. This machine gives a genuine pasta making sensation if you're ready to put in more effort and based on the trial. At number 3. Philips. Philips electric pasta makers are the most flexible of the various pasta makers available. It's also hugely potent, allowing anyone, from beginner to advanced, to create pasta sauce at home. Furthermore, no matter the type of pasta individuals want to produce, this will only take 15 minutes, which would be suitable for busy moms who crave residence flavor even without the time investment. The Philips Compact Pasta and Noodle Maker Control Unit is simple to understand and use. Which only has 4 function keys in the count, and those are correctly labeled so that you will not get someone mixed up while using the machine. The digital display ticks down the moment and tells you how much pasta has been boiled whenever pasta has been made. Respectively stirring, squashing the pastry, and pressing your favorite pasta is an easy option that will enable you to create pasta sauce regardless of the degree of comfort. And because of Philips's technological advancements, there is no Philips pasta maker problems, so you can use this machine to make something more than conventional pasta. The Philips pasta machine manual also has a hidden compartment at the base, which is nice. The best manual pasta extruder collection tray is intended to aid in the organization of the varied changing discs and cleanup equipment. Philips electric pasta maker recipes tray will allow you to stay far more organized if you use the discs which arrived with the pasta maker machine. At number 2. Schul. This wheel-style pasta maker is simple to modify. The engine is also quite potent, perfect for almost any layer requirement. The surface area configurations are simple to change. There are 9 distinct options to select from, making it simple to find the best one of these for your requirements. Despite being half the price of many of its rivals, the top-rated pasta maker held its own with a sturdy pasta machine for less than $40. The machining is well built, and the parts are of high quality. It generated relatively consistent spaghetti. This home pasta maker is also tiny and convenient, perfect for a tiny kitchen. It's pretty gentle, so users might not have any trouble carrying it up too high if you want to store it in a more extraordinary cabinet. At number 1. Norpro. If you enjoy making homemade noodles more than we do, Norpro's simple pasta items will make the process easier. Fresh pasta has a sleek but fluffy crispness and a prosperous, nearly flavorful egg yolk that is superior to store-bought pasta. This Norpro pasta machine is more versatile than most hand crank models, with additional slicers that can establish ravioli or other patterns. Still, it falls short in terms of hardware and construction. The hand crank was much flimsier than other designs. Unless you would not have a KitchenAid or do not want to spend the money on a new bonding, this device is for you. It attaches to the desk or just any durable sufficient table and requires below 2 minutes to set up. I chose ravioli for long noodles because the razors aren't always as strong as I'd like, and I pull all the pastry strings apart between my hands. The grip that arrives with it isn't as firm as it ought to be to keep it stable. However, if you stiffen it too much, the whole appliance lifts off the table or counter. You'd need a tiny portion of the desk onto which you can mess a buckle on both edges. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.